You've got the right heat press, you've got your pressure dialed in, but your prints are still fading, peeling, or scorching. Most people assume that it is the settings, but a lot of the time, it is actually the temperature your press is really delivering. VersiFlex is designed to create vibrant, durable transfers, but even the best media can't overcome an uncalibrated heat press. The display temperature on your press isn't always the true platen temperature. In fact, some presses can vary by 5 to 40 degrees or more. And with VersiFlex, even 10 to 15 degrees difference can affect your results. If your temperature is too low, transfers may look faded, incomplete, or start peeling over time. If your temperature is too high, you can scorch the fabric, distort the print, or damage the substrate. Heat presses can also drift over time. Heating elements age, sensors lose accuracy, and hot or cold spots can develop across the platen. The golden rule with VersiFlex is simple. Never trust the display alone. Always verify your actual platen temperature with a physical testing tool. The easiest way to do this is with thermal labels, also called temperature test strips. These test strips permanently change color when they reach a specific temperature, so you can physically see what your press is doing. For VersiFlex, we recommend the 8-temp thermal label, covering 330 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's how to use them. First, set your press to your VersiFlex temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, let the press fully heat for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This helps the platen stabilize even before testing. Next, do a quick press for 10 to 15 seconds with the press empty. This warms the lower platen and removes moisture. Now place 5 temperature strips on a sheet of paper, one in the center and one in each corner. This helps you test all the 5 zones of the platen. Make sure the strip side faces the platen. Close the press using normal pressure and press for exactly 10 seconds. Then carefully remove the paper. The last black temperature mark on each strip shows the maximum temperature reached in the area. Ideally, all 5 zones should be within about 5 to 10 degrees of each other and close to your target temperature. If all the readings match your target, you're good to go. If the strips read too low, increase your set temperature slightly and retest. If they read too high, lower the temperature and test again. Once your temperature is dialed in, you're ready to go. Accurate temperature is one of the biggest factors in getting smooth, vibrant, and consistent VersiFlex results every time.